Hello children, our today's topic is sunlight therapy. We all know that sunlight is very important for our life. Without sunlight, the life wouldn't have been existed on earth. The sunlight is we get that is filtered through the earth's atmosphere. Sunlight plays different important roles in our life. Number 1, you can see our body creates this substance when it is exposed to the sun. It absorbs the calcium from food and helps to keep our bones healthy. It protects children from rickets and adults from osteoporosis. The answer is produces vitamin D. Thus, vitamin D is also referred to as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is also referred to as the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D helps to regulate the amount of calcium and phosphorus in our body, which is helpful for our healthy growth of bones. And what is ricket and osteoporosis? Ricket it can be seen in children, which causes weakening and softening of bones, and bones deforms and causes deformities of bones. And osteoporosis can be seen in adults. Due to osteoporosis, the bones become weak. You can understand by this picture. This is healthy bone and this is the bone with osteoporosis. Pores are created in the bones and bones become weak and brittle. So, you can understand how important vitamin D is. Number 2, the production of this hormone increases when our body is exposed to the sun. We feel happier and more energetic when we enjoy sunlight for at least half an hour every day. The answer is it produces serotonin. Now, serotonin is a kind of hormone which causes good feeling in our mind. Now, what is a hormone? Hormones are chemical messengers which are secreted by certain glands in our body and which acts on another part of the body. Number 3, the sun helps losing weight by increasing the metabolic rate through the stimulation of thyroid gland. The answer is helps in losing weight. So, exposure to sunlight increases the metabolism rate, which helps to utilize the amount of calorie we intake to get utilized. So, it helps in losing weight in that way. Number 4, sensible exposure to the sun improves blood circulation and controls blood pressure. Thus, it strengthens the cardiovascular system. Number 5, the sun helps to warm our muscles, ease stiffness and reduce the pain caused by bone diseases. It provides warmth. Sunlight provides warmth which helps to relax our muscles and ease stiffness and reduce pain caused by bone diseases. Number 6, regular and controlled exposure to sun has a preventive effect against this life-threatening disease. It helps to prevent cancer. It helps in preventing cancer. So, your exposure to sunlight should be regular and controlled. Overexposure can create problem. Number 7, playing in the sun makes us sweat. This helps our body to remove waste through skin. So, we all know that sweating is another way of excretion. So, when we play in the sun, it makes us sweat and our waste materials get excreted through this sweat glands. It strengthens the excretory system. Now in the blue box you can see melatonin, that is another kind of hormone, helps to regulate the sleep. Daytime exposure to sunlight increases the production during the night. If you get daytime exposure to sunlight, it will increase the production of melatonin in the night time and it will help to sleep. Now moving to the quiz time. Number 1, sun rays improve liver functioning, therefore are effective in treating the disease. It is jaundice. The answer is jaundice. Jaundice is a liver disease. So exposure to sun rays helps to cure jaundice. Number 2, the sunlight therapy also helps to reduce stress. The sunlight therapy also helps to reduce stress.